morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
You tell me how to ride the motives from here.
Oh, wait. I see maps, okay? Oh, certainly. The close one is about a mile from here. You can either walk or of taxi.
I will to take note or you give me direction.
Oh, wait. I see map, okay?
Yes.
Sure. Walk straight ahead for about 2 blocks. Then turn left the corner of Element X Maple Avenue. You see a large red building. That's one the shopping mall. The movie theaters is on the second floor of the mall.
Guys, I said, okay, block, left hand. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.